Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Right, thank you. Some of you remember my name. Oh wait, I have been looking forward to this morning for quite a while because I would like to show you, to introduce to you some wonderful pieces of work made by your schoolmates. They are beautiful and also meaningful. Let me show you the first one. Can you all see that picture? Does it ring a bell? Where did you see it? Do you remember having seen this? Who remembers having seen this? Put up your hand. Nobody? Oh, thank you. One hand. 3A, where are you? You haven't yet seen this picture. What about the other Form 3 classes? No? 7A, where are you? No? Where? Have you ever seen this picture? Good. 7B, what about you? No? Yes? Okay. Well, why do I ask them? This picture is put on the wall of the 4th floor. It's on the wall of the staircase between the 4th and the 5th floor of the old wing. Now, I said this is a meaningful sentence because here, just listen to me. I'm going to read the sentence out to you. It says here, who seeks a faultless friend remains friendless. Do you have any friends? Yes, a lot, right? But do you have any faultless friends? What is the meaning of this word fault? Let me spell it. F-A-U-L-T-L-E-S-S. What is a fault? A fault is a mistake. Faultless, making no mistakes. Now think about it. Do you ever have friends who make no mistakes? I don't. Have you ever made mistakes? Can you be a faultless friend yourself? I can't. So what does this saying tell us? If we only want to look for friends who make no mistakes, can we find such friends? No, we will become friendless. Okay, so this is the message. Now, I think this is a very good reminder to me because if I always try to find a friend who is faultless, I can't do it. Then I will lose all my friends. But if I learn to be kind to friends who make mistakes, if I learn to forgive friends who make mistakes, then I will have a lot of friends. So remember this and look for it when you walk up the stairs or down the stairs. I have picked another one, and this time, this one is taken from the new wing. New wing. Which classes are in the new wing? Yeah, have you seen this before? No? 2A, where are you? 1E, where are you? Oh, did you see this before? No? You know, this is right outside your classroom. Okay? It is on the 2nd floor, right outside your staff room. Whenever you go out of the classroom and take a look at the wall, you see this. Okay? So what is this? Now, listen to me. We never know the worth of water till the well is dry. Listen again. We never know the worth of water till the well is dry. What is a well? We find water from a well. Is water important? Yes, very important. But every day when we can have water to use, when we can drink water, we don't think about how important water is. But what if one day there is no more water? The well is dry. Then, do you have water to drink? No. Do you have water to take a shower? No. Then you will begin to see how important water is. So this is the message of this quote. Of course, water is important, but there are many other things that are also important. Let me make some change to this sentence. We never know the worth of time till we have no more time. We never know the worth of going to school till we can no longer go to school. So think about it. Again, I like this message a lot. It is simple but deep. Okay, thank you. Right, now, oh, no, not yet. I just thanked her because I've got two wonderful helpers helping me to carry the pictures. Well, this morning I have introduced to you two quotes, and you know there are many more in the school. You will find some in the new way, you will find some in the old way. Why don't you go and take a look at them and read the sentences and learn them by heart? They are very, very useful.